Apparently, we have a situation where people think of themselves in one or two ways, and they don't seek to find their true specialty, their true task. You don't know if God has designed you to have a diversity of tongues. Do you know for sure that God doesn't want you to do miracles? Who here in this fellowship can say that they know for sure that they should not be prophets? Some of you have the beginnings of that talent, and maybe you need to develop it. Maybe you need to be guided by the Holy Spirit and find your specialty. Maybe your specialty is not a general ministry, but to have a ministry that specifically focuses on being what? Being either of doing miracles or being or sharing the prophetic word, or to do healings, or to do diversities of tongue. You don't know for sure what your specialty is unless you have a clear vision from the Holy Spirit and that you've actually examined and worked through.